Cluster Lashes Tutorial, Shein, Step-by-Step using only $8 worth of Shein supplies, 2026. To get started, open the Shein website. At the top of the page, click the search bar. Type cluster lashes, and press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. For example, type cluster lashes kit to find complete lash sets that include the lashes, along with the tools you need for application, such as tweezers, lash bond, and seal. Buying a complete kit is usually the easiest option, especially if you're trying cluster lashes for the first time. After the search results appear, browse through the available products, compare different cluster lash kits, and choose the one that fits your budget. Since this tutorial is about using only around $8 worth of Shein supplies, look for affordable options that still have good customer ratings and positive reviews. Take a moment to check the product photos carefully, read customer reviews to see what buyers say about the quality, comfort, and how easy the lashes are to apply. Also, check how many lash clusters are included in each kit. Some sets include extra accessories, making them a better value for the same price. You can also use the categories at the top of the page if you want to browse more beauty products, including lash tools and makeup accessories. However, if you already know what you're looking for, using the search bar is the fastest and easiest way to find it. Once you find a cluster lash kit you like, click the product to open its details, review the photos, read the product description, check the available styles and lash lengths, and confirm the shipping information. If everything looks good, choose your preferred option and add the item to your cart. You can continue shopping or proceed directly to checkout to complete your purchase. Tip: before placing your order, compare a few similar products, check the most recent customer reviews, and make sure the kit includes everything you need.